Hey folks, welcome back. So the car is actually sitting idle for almost a month now, and I also do have a battery charger, or also commonly called as the trickle charger, sitting in my garage. So I just thought, okay, why not just install it into my car. So the way we go about installation is like the battery charger itself comes into two parts. One is where we have the cable adapter which gets connected to the battery, which you really don't need to remove it. You can just leave it as is once connected. Another part is a battery charger which you can connect it on and off whenever you need it. So in this video, I'll be like going about installing it specifically to my car, which is the BMW 328i Coupe. But I think the installation principle is fundamentally the same for any cars or automobiles over there. So let's get it started. Okay, so in an idle state, the voltage of the car has to be at least more than 12.5. But this car has been sitting here for almost a month now. Not only that, I kind of believe that the age of this battery is old again, so I'm not going to expect anywhere around 12.5. So anyway, let's check that first. Okay, so as expected, it's lesser than 12.5, it's 12.3. So this is the one I'm planning to install it today. I bought this like around 8 or 9 months back, and it's just collecting dust over there. It does have 4 amp of charge rating, which is kind of good for the purpose I'm trying to use. It's more than a trickle charger, but definitely not cannot be used as a jump starter. So the other part I really like about it is like this one. So this is the cable which connects to the battery, which can be permanently connected, and the other side, which is the adapter, which you can leave it in a convenient location in the trunk of the car, which can be connected on and off to the main adapter. In this box, and let's start the installation process. Okay, manual. This. Okay, so this is the main charger, and this one goes to the electrical outlet, and this one goes to the car connector. And this cable, I'm not planning to use it for now. And this is the connector, which this is the battery side of it, which gets connected to the car battery permanently. And it also has a battery fuse. And the other end, so this actually has a good thing, it has actually a cover. And this is the other side, which actually connects to the battery charger, which can be connected on and off. The thing I need to figure out is like need to find out a convenient location in the car trunk where I can actually do this. And okay, so this is a BMW. Most of you have had like the batteries in the trunk, this location. Inside, let me just remove that. This cover, so it just comes off. So I think it's a matter of like just connecting the positive and the negative cable for this charging cable adapter. So for the positive cable, in my case, I think it's there is a 10 mm nut over here. Just loosen it and just connect the positive cable over here, and that follows the fuse over here. And for the negative, I think it's just a matter of like finding a good ground point in your car chassis, and finally route it somewhere like this, so that this could be later on used to connect to the battery charger. Okay, now let's put the cover back. Okay, now let's connect the charger back. Okay, so right now it's connected to the 110 volt. It is just turning into blue. All it requires is just connect it, and then you just select the mode to 12 volt AGM. I think it has 12 volt standard, 12 volt AGM, and there is other modes for winter mode as well. I really don't know what it does, but for now I'm just going to connect it and just put it in a 12 volt AGM mode. So let's do that. Okay, so it looks like I already selected 12 volt AGM and it's showing 12.2 volt, and it just turned into red, meaning like it is doing the charging. So I have an extension cord coming from my 120 volt electrical outlet, and that is connected to the battery charger. And right now it's highlighted as with a red background, meaning like it is doing its charging, because it was actually very less. The voltage was almost like below 12 volt, and right now it has boosted. It's been like a couple of hours and it's like showing 12.7. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to stop and maintain this voltage. I believe around 13.2 or 13.5. I could really see this is getting warm. So let me just leave it overnight and let's see what is the voltage it's actually resting at. Okay, so now we have reached the conclusion part of this video. I'll be observing this battery charger on how it's performing for the next month or so, and let's see what happens. And one of the use cases I forgot to mention is like I have the habit of listening to music in the car while it's actually parked in the garage. Now that I'm not taking this car out for the next month or so, definitely this is going to deplete the battery, and that is one of the strong use cases which made me to install this battery charger. With that being said, thanks for watching this guys, and have a nice day. Bye.